Neural networks are a fascinating cornerstone of artificial intelligence that mimic the way our human brains work. Imagine billions of tiny neurons in your brain, all connected and passing messages to each other to help you understand and interact with the world. Neural networks in AI do something quite similar, just with data and algorithms instead of actual brain cells. Let's take the concept of a hive mind in popular science fiction, like the Borg in Star Trek. Individual Borg drones are connected, sharing information and learning from each other collectively. This is a bit like how neural networks share and process information, although they're used for far less menacing purposes. Now, picture the magical paintings in the Harry Potter series, chatting away and interacting with students. Each painting seems to have its own personality and knowledge. Neural networks also learn and develop personalities in a way, they get better at tasks over time, whether that's recognizing faces or translating languages. Or consider Wall-E, the adorable robot from the Pixar movie. Wall-E learned to categorize items as trash or treasure. In the real world, neural networks learn to categorize things too, like whether an email is spam or not spam. Think about Spotify or Pandora's music recommendation systems. They learn your music preferences over time, suggesting new songs you might like. That's a neural network analyzing your choices, finding patterns, and making predictions. In The Matrix, characters download skills to their brains instantly. Neural networks learn from data in a somewhat similar, but slower, process. They're given huge amounts of information, like pictures of cats, and each time they see a new one, they get better at recognizing what a cat looks like. Another example is in online shopping. Ever noticed how websites seem to know exactly what you're interested in buying? That's neural networks at work again. They've learned from your past shopping behavior and the behavior of others to predict what you might want to purchase next. Neural networks are also the brainpower behind self-driving cars, like those from Tesla. They process information from sensors and cameras to understand the road and make driving decisions. In essence, neural networks are about pattern recognition. They take in data, learn from it, and then apply that learning to make decisions or predictions. Just as you learn to recognize a friend's face among a crowd or the scent of your favorite food, neural networks learn to recognize patterns in the data they're fed. While we're not in a world run by Skynet, and there's no magic school of AI, the examples of neural networks in our daily lives are just as fascinating. They're the unseen forces powering many of the technologies we use and love, constantly learning and improving behind the scenes.